Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change engine oil in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 6 to 7 quarts, and a new oil filter. Always consult your owner's manual for exact specifications. Finally, safely lift and secure your vehicle using jack stands or ramps to ensure stability while working underneath. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually found on the bottom of the oil pan underneath the engine. Place your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, being mindful that the oil may be hot. Allow ample time for all the old oil to completely drain out, which can take several minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being prepared for any residual oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, carefully add the specified amount of fresh engine oil through the fill cap. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap and lower your Jeep. Start the engine and let it run for a minute or two to circulate the new oil, then shut it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Also, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Properly dispose of your used oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.